How's it going, Matt?
Well, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
Wonderful.
We are here for another 5 questions. Are you ready?
Let's do it. Give me 5 things.
If you could have a robot to do one of these 5 jobs, you're going to rank them 1 to 5.
In terms of the job I want them most to do versus the job I want them least to
Correct.
do.
1 is going to be, I need a robot for this job.
Okay.
First one, raking bunkers.
Oh, God. How's a robot going to rake a bunker? I think there's more important things. I'm putting that, be kind of wimpy, but 3.
For 3.
Yeah,
Okay.
3.
Number 2,
Yeah.
weed whack and pull weeds. Everything with weeds.
Oh, a robot can pull weeds. You could do that at night. I like that. Number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah, there's got to be something that's, I don't know. Yeah, number 2.
Number 3, spray off grass clippings from gators and mowers at the end of the day.
Oh, you need to get a high school kid or someone to do that. So I'm going 4. 4.
Number 4, trim irrigation heads.
I'm not sure what you're coming with next, but this is either 5 or 1, so I'm going to roll the dice. I'll put it at number 5. Number 5.
And your very favorite, cutting and changing cups.
Oh, robot. You'd have precise depth every time. Perfectly white painted cups. So yeah, number 1.
We're on. Hold on.
That's it.